I recently received this 3-in-1 collapsible e-bike trailer that can be converted into a pull cart and also can be stored vertically, and the tires are easily removed. Now this cart holds 150 pounds in the cargo bay. It comes with 16-inch diameter tires that are 3 inches wide. It has a shock absorber to absorb some of the bumps and doesn't jostle your cargo. Now the cargo is 33 inches long, 21 inches wide, and it easily attaches to any bike or electric bike using this hitch and coupling system that attaches to the rear axle. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.